Health anxiety may look something like this. I feel like I'm having heart palpitations and my heart is racing, so I'm just gonna check my pulse. And oh my gosh, is that a lump? I feel like, can you check this for me? Does that feel like a lump to you? Oh my gosh, this lump, oh wow, I am all of a sudden feeling tingling sensations all around my face, and my head feels like it's hurting, and I feel really dizzy when I get up. Do you think I have a brain tumor? I should probably go to the doctor, right? I should go to the doctor. I think I'm going crazy. Something is wrong with me. This is real. The struggle is real. The pain is real, and it's something that I've gone through. You also may be going through health anxiety. Health anxiety is very common for us who have a generalized anxiety disorder, or we suffer with panic attacks or PTSD. Someone who has health anxiety may also be referred to as a hypochondriac, someone who is constantly worried and stressed out that they have a major, serious, undiagnosed illness or disease that is constantly being missed by doctors. According to NHS, here are some common symptoms of health anxiety. Constantly worrying about your health, frequently checking your body for signs of illness such as lumps, tingling, or pain. You are always asking people for reassurance that you're not ill. You worry that a doctor or medical test may have missed something, and you obsessively look at health information on the internet or in the media. I remember my health anxiety struggle began a few weeks after I had my first panic attack. I remember going to the doctor to get a clean bill of health to make sure that there's nothing else that's going on behind the scenes that may be causing my panic attacks. And when the blood reports came back and they checked everything, the doctor called me and said, "Hey, you are healthier than 90% of my patients. Everything you're doing, keep doing it, keep eating healthy, keep doing the things that you're doing. You're healthy. The blood report came back fine. You're great." And for a second, I felt awesome. I was relieved that everything checked out, I'm fine. And then a couple hours later, I was laying in bed trying to meditate, and then I opened my eyes, I was looking at the ceiling, and the doctor's message kept going through my mind that you are fine, everything is okay, the blood work is fine. And then I had a panic attack thinking about that. And that is when my health anxiety really flared up. And the reason it flared up is because I was still feeling worried, I was still feeling anxious, and I had just had a panic attack. So I was thinking to myself, okay, if the doctor said that the blood work is fine and I'm healthy and everything's okay, why am I still anxious? Why am I still having tingling sensations in my face? Why do I feel like my heart is going to blast out of my chest? What is wrong with me? They must have missed something. Something is totally wrong. Something is wrong with me. I have a brain tumor. I have this. And then the rumination and the fear and the worry just started to bubble up, and things started to get worse. Now, health anxiety is very normal. If you have panic attacks or if you have any of the anxiety disorders, please know you are not alone. This is 100% normal. This is 100% harmless. It may seem like it's causing you harm. You may feel like your life is coming to an end. All the ruminating thoughts and all this worry and stress, you may feel like something really truly is wrong with you. And as much as I tell you that everything's okay, it is going to take a little bit of effort and time and patience on your end to realize that yes, everything is indeed okay. We do live in a world of instant gratification. We live in a world where we want everything right now. You may want your recovery to begin and end today. You may want to go back to that carefree version of yourself who never worried, who never stressed. You may want to go to the version of you before this health anxiety. But again, I assure you, in everything I talk about and in everything I teach and in all my content, my entire mission is to show you and teach you that anxiety is your superpower. You may not realize it right now. As much as you want to push everything away, as much as you want this to go away, as much as you want this evil, awful thing that has consumed your life to go away, just be patient. Please know that you will get through this. You will grow through this. Some of my content, I've started teaching a lot of the lessons and principles that I learned on my own to grow through this, and I'm only getting started. I'm going to continue to post more content and show you and share with you how you will get better. You will grow through this, and the version of you on the other side of this is going to be the best version of you. Until then, please do the things that I've constantly been talking about. Meditate as much as you can, journal as often as you can, Focus on your nutrition. Intermittent fasting is an amazing resource for this. Cold shower exposure and therapy, breathing exercise such as Wim Hof breathing. You know, a lot of the things that I'm sharing really do work, but I want you to know that it's not a one-off thing. You can't just do it once or twice and then be done with it. You have to be patient and you have to be persistent. For me, my recovery really started within a couple of months of me beginning to implement these things on a consecutive, consistent basis. I was doing at least one of the things that I just mentioned at least once a day. And when I started doing this over and over again on a consistent basis, in a matter of a few months, I started realizing that my health anxiety started to diminish. And then after a couple of years, I realized that my anxiety is non-existent. And when anxiety does show up, again, it is a gentle nudge or a push telling me and reminding me that I'm doing too much of something or too little of something. So hang in there, be patient, and I promise you, you will grow through this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.